That's right, baby. I'm back. As I said before, I'm super amped and hyped to have this company, Rhinoshield, sending me their product. This is not a paid sponsorship or none of that. I really like their products. They got some of the best protective cases in the game. I like their technology. I just like the way they move. Kind of the same way I like the way Whitestone don't move. But today we're talking about Rhinoshield. My name is CJ. This is CJ Knows Tech, where I love to talk tech and anything creative. Let's showcase their cases. They got a new style one, this Mod NX, you know what I'm saying? The Mod NX right here. Yeah, that's gonna be the highlight feature, baby. We're gonna say that one for last, you know what I mean? So up front, I got the protection from Rhinoshield. I got impact protection for front and back for your iPhone XS Max. Highly recommend you always put on protection, whether it be a tempered glass screen protector or impact shields from Rhinoshield, you know what I mean? But these are dope because I've seen people take hammers to smartphones. I wouldn't do that. I'm not treating my devices the way I see some of you lunatics out there treating your device. You know what I mean? But the fact that I've seen people brave enough, put an impact shield, take a hammer, bam, 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 nothing break. You know what I mean? That tells you these things absorb the impact, and that's what it's all about, baby, when it comes to a drop. So we're gonna be putting these on my iPhone XS Max, you know what I'm saying? Cause I've been riding naked, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So it's time to cover this bad boy up. Let's go. Put the impact shields on there. Let's do that, all right. And then also what I have to show off is the full SolidSuit iPhone XS Max line, baby. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get into those. Those are awesome, those are amazing. And let's do these now. So first thing we're gonna do is, let's protect the back first. Let's get that back protection. Let's lay this down so we don't mess up our screen, baby. We're not scratching you up. You know what I'm saying? Bam. All right. Just like any typical screen protector, you get the kit. So we get the white cloth. Hey, they got the best dust remover. I love their dust remover. It's huge and effective. All right, so let's wipe it down. You know what I mean? Wipe away the haters. There's been a lot of haters on the iPhone XS Max. Wipe away the haters. Haters off. Haters on. Haters off. Take the dust remover. Bam. Look at this big boy. I can just lock that joint on there. Bam. Cover up half of the dang on device. You know what I'm saying? Like, bam. You know what I mean? I should be good with that right there. So we peel off side A, which is the adhesive side. I always love peeling stuff off. It's real satisfying. So now you got to get your swag on, and you got to place this bad boy right. Now what I'm going to use is, since I have that cutout, I'm going to put this up against the cutout. Yep. So I'm going to place it. Booyah! So before you take B off, you want to take the squeegee thingy and try to work the bubbles out. You know what I'm saying? You can see the bubbles moving. Get on out of here, player. Did a pretty good job. I'm gonna tell you now, pro tip, do not take off B until you've done this whole little squeegee thing. Because if you don't, you're gonna scratch up the back of that impact protector. Because I was getting it in and I didn't toe B up. So let's get B off. Bam. Ooh, that thing looking practically invisible on the screen. So this is very important. So if you drop your device, you're gonna have that protection from a drop. And this is also great for those of you that opt in for the crash bumper, or when we get to the Mod X, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna say that for later, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, hit the screensaver. I see you, Apple over there. Guess I gotta hit it with the dust sticker again. Slammed that bad boy. Oh, here. Yeah. I'm gonna take off side A again. So I advise you make the notch visible. Let me see, I'm gonna go to somewhere where I can, and you go by the notch, since. Yep, that's the best way to do it. All right, I've had it with the dang on bubble thing and stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's good enough. I am a perfectionist, and that is my problem. Peel off the top, bam, that bad boy is on there. As you can see, let's go ahead and unlock. Oh, you want passcode, huh? You know what I mean? Bam, bam. So it's responsive, it's working. It's only noticeable when you have when you have the screen off. You can notice it because of the little, you know, swoop hoop right there. But at the end of the day, it's a pretty decent little screen protector. So I'm gonna give it 24 hours to let the little side bubbles get out and so forth. And there we go. And I will report back if I have any issues. Now, first up, we're gonna start out with the SolidSuit. Boom, 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 bam. SolidSuit number 1. You know what I mean? This is the, ain't no name to it. But so this one basically, ooh, I like the feel it. Is that leather? Okay, I don't know if this is, I don't know if that's genuine leather, but this one has like that leather vibe right here. Something leather or pleather. It's either one. I don't know which one it is, you know what I'm saying? But this is dope, this is nice. This is pretty elegant for a protective case. I like that direction. So let's put that on here. Now, we may have already found my favorite SolidSuit one. Pretty much a black case. You literally black out the gold iPhone XS Max and I just almost dropped. So get that all black look. You could change the look of your phone, go incognito. You don't have to shine the stunt in gold all the time. So this is a great case. Their protection, like legit, Rhinoshield, like I'm serious. If you don't know about them, look them up. You could throw your phone and all kind of crazy stuff, like 11-foot drop protection. It's legit. And I think if you're clumsy, or anything like that, or if you're worried about breaking your device, I highly recommend Rhinoshield as your protective case because it's low profile, lightweight. It's not like those big old outer boxes and things like that. It's a lot more sleek, low key, yet super protective. Great company. We already know that it's gonna be wireless charging approved, but you know, gotta hit it one time. Bam. So wireless charge approved for all of these cases. Every case that I'm gonna show you today, you can have wireless charging with. So that's not even a question. And I think case manufacturers today, if you make anything that doesn't have wireless charging capabilities, you're slacking. Bam, this is the next SolidSuit. This is the carbon fiber style one. You know what I'm saying? I just showed you the leather one style. Man, this thing ain't trying to come out. Give me my dang on case, man. Get up out of here with this. Woo! So for any of those who like that carbon fiber vibe, you know what I mean, right here with the Rhinoshield, swag out, put this bad boy on. This is another one that's gonna black out incognito your all gold iPhone XS Max. So, you know what I mean? It's good to stunt sometimes, but sometimes you might just wanna be low key, incognito, put the all black case on there, got the carbon fiber, add that. Nice texture to this thing. Now, it's not real carbon fiber, you know what I mean? It's just a carbon fiber look thing. I don't think it's real carbon fiber, but these are just super protective. So when you rock them with these bad boys, you already know. Buttons work, front lip protection, back protection. If you got that Impactshield protection, like, no worries, seriously. So that's that one. I got one more SolidSuit to show you, and then we get into our main event. This one right here is just your basic all black one right here. Whoo, satisfying. Man, this is the basketball grip one, you know what I mean? This one right here is the crazy grip, good protection, all black, sleek, low key, incognito SolidSuit one. This is low key probably my favorite off the fact that you get that crazy grip. The other ones have character to them. This one is just all about practical safety and protection because you got that grip, which is gonna therefore prevent the drop. But if you have the drop, you know what I mean? If you had a little slip up, you got impact protection. Highly recommend you put that because no matter what case you put on anything, if you don't have something in front of your glass, you know what I mean? Rocks, whatever, uneven terrain, you're losing. So Impactshield plus that SolidSuit, no worries, period. Go incognito mode on them. You know what I mean? You might have one of those missions, you know what I mean? You might have to move a mission. Gotta be low key. You can't be out there late at night. The sun hit the dang on golden max and everyone know. Might be you just trying to be low key in the cut, you know what I mean? Now, coming up, these I'm super excited about. This is my first time encountering these Mod NX. This is a new style case from Rhinoshield. Now, you may know them for their infamous crash bumper, which is just the bumper that protects, that goes around the edges, and then you put that Impactshield on the front and back, which gives you front and back protection. But literally, it gives you the naked feel of carrying your phone without a case when you got the bumper. Now with the Mod NX, you have the option to add a back to the case or not. You can change the color and do little, we're gonna swag it out. I'm gonna have to mix these up and show you what it could do. But I'm gonna kind of flip through and kind of show you a couple things. You can pause and check this out and really get it in. But like, you can have just the bumper, right? And then you have these interchangeable rims that go in there, so you can change the color, you can mix and match and so forth. And you can get custom designed black back plates. So you're able to like really modify and customize your phone, your protective case. I think this is dope, because most protective cases, they only embrace the protectiveness and the look of protectiveness, and that's not aesthetic. It's not fly. It don't have as much swag. You can even change the buttons, you guys. They got all these different colored buttons, so you can have mix matching, mix match. You can have mixed up buttons, okay? I think that's dope. You can add your own style, your own flavor, your own character to your Mod NX case from Rhinoshield. So they sent me out a red and a black one, and probably what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix and match between the two and get a red and black little hookup. So let's get in here. Now, this is my first time opening and using these cases, so I am totally new. So if you move out this insert thing, then you'll find the back piece. Bam, you got the back piece. So you got your typical bumper protection from Rhinoshield, which is only like, I think it said 3 millimeters, so it's a lot thinner than the old bumper. Light too, very light. Anything that's light when it comes to a smartphone case, because you don't want to add any more weight to your smartphones, I'm all about. So that you pull out the black one too, you know what I mean, with the back. So you have the option to go bumper only if you feel it, or you can go with a back plate and have a full protective little get down. Say if you don't have that impact shield on the back, you can use this. So bam, bam, got it on the right side. It's quick and easy to put on, super light. So if you like your naked vibe feel, you know what I mean? Bam, bam. But you're getting that, it's lifted though, so don't get it twisted. You got a slight lip, so as far as like putting it down and so forth, you are protected. But you want an impact shield because uneven surfaces, you know what I mean? You drop it on a rock and so forth, or anything hits that glass before your case is able to protect it, I mean your bumper, you know what I mean? You gotta be smart. So impact shields, or these pop right out like that, bam. So let's say if I take the one from the black one, you know what I mean? I gotta show you a little bit of the customization swag, because that's what this case is all about. Now, oh, okay, I kind of see where it goes. Actually, it was quite easy. So now I got the black and red look popping off. Throw this bad boy up in there. Like bam, bam. So, booyah. Change the whole look and vibe of this case with the rims. So, I mean, you guys can get all colorful and so forth. You can do whatever you want, express yourself. And the fact that the buttons are interchangeable too is really dope. Let's see, let's take it to the next level. Let's try to throw the black buttons on this joint. I'm going all custom mode, because I want to show you, give you a more like realistic look at how customizable this thing is and how you can do that. So, bam. Oh, the buttons do come out. Oh, that's so good. Yo, that's so dope, dude. Got the red and black look right there. Bam, so got the black and red little hookup right here now. Woo! That one's dope. With that little highlighted button, you know what I mean? I can switch both buttons red and so forth. I can have just all the way black and red, but I think that's dope though, that right there, that little pow. This would be dope for like with the Note 9 for the Bixby Troll button, just to warn you, like warning, don't hit the Bixby Troll, you know what I'm saying? This is dope, I love this. So this whole concept right here, I'm really digging it. I think it's really dope. Bam, quick on bumper. This is like protective. Like actually I'm gonna rock with this because I know that I'm protected with the impact shield on here. So I'm gonna be courageous. I'm gonna rock with a semi-naked little get down, man, because I've always wanted to rock out with these bumper cases. And with this Mod NX joint going, it's pretty dope. I might have to order some other colors and flip the script on them. So I really like it. So now I wanna put the backing on here just to give you a view. There you go, booyah. Now I'm super ultra protected. I got the impact shield on the back, plus this little back case. I ain't worried about my back cracking at all. And then I got this with the front impact shield. I'm set to go, baby, protected and ready to get it. Full on case, still showing off the swag. Still got the iPhone stunt game on deck with a whole nother little get down going. Yo, Mod NX, this is dope. I really like this. And I see all of the different colors you're able to pick from. You know what I'm saying? Look at all those different little get downs right there. So you're able to really swag out the way you want to. You know what I mean? Look at that, you get all those different colors on the buttons. Man, express yourself. You know I'm from the West Coast, you know what I mean? Express yourself. NWA, you know what I mean? Anyways, so this is a go. This is dope. I really like this whole little get down, this whole little setup that Rhinoshield with this new direction that they're doing. So, I mean, you got two cases in one. You got a full-on case as well as the bumper case if you want to get your bump on. You know what I mean? Yo, my name is CJ. This is CJKnowsTECH, where I love to talk tech and anything creative. You just watched me unbox and show you two case lineups from Rhinoshield, the SolidSuit as well as the Mod NX, their new rendition of cases. Like, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna tell you, we got a new favorite case swag out there for me. Like, I'm all about this. Super protective, yet you got swag. That's the best combination. I can't go on any longer. I don't need to. This video is getting long enough. Peace. Enjoy your day. Today is the next day after I recorded the video of the overview of these Rhinoshield Mod NX cases. Yo, when I say this is hands down my favorite case, my daily driver case instantly, like I mean that. Like I put this thing, I got it customized, you know what I'm saying, with the red, like I love this thing. It's super light and I have a peace of mind with this full setup right here. Like my peace of mind, as far as if I were to mistakenly drop my 10S Max, is worryless. Like I don't care because I have an impact shield on the front. I'm not worried about my front glass breaking. Not only do I have the impact shield on the back on the glass, but I got the back portion of the Mod NX on here. So like I'm double protected on the back. I'm not worried. As well as I got the bumper protection that Rhinoshield is known for. So this bad boy, just the fact that it got swag and it's protective, like that's the dual ultimate combo. I can't stress that enough. I am super like legit happy. You know, my little mic slapping down. Hold on, play. That's all. That's the real truth.